Hello, today we will guide you through how to deposit Solana on Axiom Pro. To begin, open Axiom Pro and navigate to the Solana Discover page. This is the main area where you can access Solana-related features within the platform. Once the page is loaded, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct Solana section before moving forward. This helps make sure you are generating the right deposit details for the asset you want to send. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on Deposit. This will open the deposit flow for your account. If you are new to the platform, this is the section where Axiom Pro provides the wallet address you will use to fund your account with Solana. It's important to move carefully here since deposits should always be sent to the correct address for the correct network. After that, click on Deposit again in the window or panel that appears. This step confirms that you want to create or display your Solana deposit address. Once selected, the platform will show the address associated with your account for receiving Solana. Make sure you wait until the address is fully visible before continuing. Now click on Copy Address. This will copy your Solana deposit address so you can paste it into the wallet or exchange you are sending funds from. When you paste the address, it's a good idea to compare the first few and last few characters with what is shown in Axiom Pro, just to verify that it copied correctly. Even a small mistake in a wallet address can cause funds to be sent to the wrong place. Before you complete the transfer from your external wallet or exchange, double check that you are sending Solana on the correct network. Sending the wrong asset or using the wrong network can result in a failed transaction or lost funds. If you are depositing a larger amount, many users prefer to send a small test transaction first to confirm everything is working as expected. Once the transaction is sent, allow some time for the network to process it. Deposit times can vary depending on network activity, so if the balance does not appear immediately, give it a few minutes and refresh if needed. That's all it takes to get your Solana deposit address from Axiom Pro and prepare your transfer correctly.